kids. So we are back in our science lecture and we were doing chapter number 10, measurement. Yes, so this is a very important chapter and new for you. So now let us continue. In the previous lecture we have seen about how we measure time. Yes, so now let us see measuring length, width and height. Okay, so we have an object. So we need to measure the length of the object, the width of the object and the height of the object. So let us see what is this length, width and height one by one. We measure the length of an object to know how long it is. Yes, length means we have to measure how long the object is. Then what is width? Width of an object to know how wide or broad it is. Yes, length is how long, width is how broad or wide it is. And what is height? Height of an object to know how tall it is. Yes, so length means how long the object is. Width means how wide or broad the object is. And height means how tall the object is. Okay? To measure all these, we need to find out the distance between 2 points or two ends of an object. We also measure distance to know how far or near an object is. Okay, now let us see in deep. Okay, so in the figure, can you differentiate between length, width and height? So here an object is taken. So the length of the object is there. So we can come to know that how long the object is. Then you can see the width means how wide the object is. And then you can see the height means how tall the given object is. What is used to measure all the three parameters? So a simple ruler is used to measure the length, width and height of a thing, such as a pencil or a book. Yes. The units used are millimeters, centimeters or inches. Yes, so if we have to measure how long or how wide or how tall the object is, which unit we will put behind it? Millimeter, centimeter and inches. Like 1 centimeter, 2 millimeters, 1 inch. Yes. Okay. Then we use a measuring tape to measure things such as a large room or a long piece of cloth in meters or foot. Yes, if small things are there, we can measure with our scale, ruler. Yes, but if it is a very big room, then we use a measuring tape for measuring. And also if we want the cloth in 1 meters, 2 meters, then we use a measuring tape. Then kilometer. Kilometer is a bigger unit for measurement. Very long lengths. Like if we want to go from our house to school, so it is a long distance, so it is measured in kilometers. Like my school is 2 kilometers away, some says my school is 10 kilometers away, so it is a very long distance. Yes. Okay, it is also used to measure the distance between two objects that are far apart. So what happens? Two objects are also there. Like you can say you have a car and you have a bicycle. So the distance between your car and the bicycle you can measure. So you can say how far the two objects are placed. Okay, let us move further. Did you know? Okay, an amazing fact is there. Our body temperature is measured in Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, so like we measure distance, we measure time. In the same way, we measure our body temperature. Yes, so our body temperature is measured in degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Yes, for the measuring of our body temperature, we use a Thermometer, yes. So there is mercury inside thermometer, which is red or gray in color, which raises its temperature according to our body, and we can come to know what is the temperature of our body. Yes. So now, important part, we can use a measuring tape to measure our height. Okay. So we all have measured our height, yes, in the school. Do you all remember? Yes. So there are some markings done, and we have to stand at that place, and then we are able to see our height. Yes, we have also measured our weight. Yes. So now we should know some following things, that the smallest unit is millimeter and the biggest unit is kilometer. So now let us see. Okay, so when 100 millimeters will come together, it will form 1 centimeter. Yes. When 100 centimeters will come together, it will form 1 meter. When 1 inch, it is known as 2.54 centimeters. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. And 1000 meters is equals to 1 kilometers. Yes. So these are the different units for measuring the distance. Yes, or a length or a height or a width of an object. So it is millimeters, centimeters, meter, inch and kilometers. Okay children. So now rest of the chapter we will continue in our next lecture. Bye bye.